Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to use WhatsApp web on PC but not using with QR code. So let's get right into the video. Open up your Chrome browser and search for web.whatsapp.com. It will take you to a page like this one. And here you can see there is a QR code right beside the manual or how to use WhatsApp on computer by using this QR code. And as we don't want to use this QR code, we just have to click on link with phone number. This option right here, click on it. And here you have to select your country in which you are in. And suppose I'm selecting Barbados, and all you have to do is select your phone number with which you have opened up your WhatsApp account and click on next. And after that, WhatsApp will send you a verification code to that specific number through SMS or email, and you just have to verify that code. And that's it. WhatsApp will allow you to log in into your WhatsApp account on your web browser, and you just didn't use the QR code. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.